We have a multi-tool here from Stanley. Let's see. When we unfold it, we get the plier. The quality is quite good. And then we have 4 multi-tools on the one handle, and the other handle we got another 4 multi-tools. At first we see this is a wooden saw, then a flat screwdriver, then a small knife, then a bottle opener. Then on the other hand we get a knife that is quite sharp. Then we get another screwdriver. This is a plus screwdriver. Then we get another flat screwdriver. This flat screwdriver is size is smaller than the other flat screwdriver. This is one size bigger, and this is the small size. Then we get a file. The file is on the both side, you can see, and I think it is quite usable. And I bought this at 720 rupees from Amazon, and at this price range it is value for money. Thank you.